So find the probability that in 2 randomly selected boxes, only one box contains exactly one prize. Now to do this one, we have to think about combinations. If you have 2 randomly selected boxes and only one contains it, you could either get a prize and then not get a prize, or not get a prize first time and then get a prize second time. So these are the 2 combinations I put here. So prize and no prize, or getting no prize first and then prize second. So what this actually means over here is that is the probability of actually getting 1 times the probability of not getting 1. So 1 as in exactly one prize or not one prize. And because, like I said, you got 2 ways, we times it by 2 ways. Now first things first, now we need to actually evaluate this. So probability x equals 1, well, I would look over here in the note section. Because we know this is a binomial distribution of n equals 6 and p 0.25, to get exactly 1 from the box, it will be 6 choose 1 following the formula times the probability of success of the prize times the probability of not getting a prize, which is 0.75. And if we've got 5 of them, it has to be wrong. And that's it. Plug in the calculator, you get this. And that's x equals 1. So x equals not 1 is of course going to be not 1 minus this value. Okay, which will give you the remainder. And then times that all by 2. This times 2. You get finally 0.4585.